Hello everyone, it is Jan here from Jan's Art. Welcome back to my channel. I am doing a very quick little pour today on a 40 by 40 centimeter canvas. I am using Artist Loft soft body black and white, both mixed with satin enamel, so the white with the white satin enamel and the black one obviously with the black satin enamel, as you will see in a second. Here we go. I had done some pearl pours the other day, and I decided that these were the base my pearl paints, and decided just to see how they would actually work in a split cup as a straight pour. I did expect that it would cloud over a bit, and it did. I like the effect, but I definitely want to do another similar pour, but without the satin enamel, without using pearl paints, because it did cloud over a little too much. It did turn gray in areas where I really like. As you see it now, it's very white, and black is very separated, but they mix together after it's been spun out. But I really love what I'm seeing here, and that's why I decided that I'm gonna try to do another one where I just use thicker paints and do not put the satin enamel in the paints. But as I said, this is gonna be a very quick video. I'm just pouring the paints on here. As you see, from a 4-chamber split cup, and I spin the spinner while I'm straight pouring, and then after I'm just gonna tilt the canvas a little bit so that the paint is spread evenly over the canvas, and then I'm gonna spin it out. Several things happened. First of all, the paints are very thin, that's why they mix more than I like. Also, my spinner was for some reason not level, and that means that the initial outcome, which I really loved, is not the end result, because I unfortunately did not take the canvas off the spinner after, and I left, and when I came back it had moved a little bit. I still like the outcome. I still like that it's pretty cool. Hope that you will too. As you probably saw here, I've sped this up to 2 times speed, so still not super fast, but just to give you an idea of how I'm spinning this, and just fiddling with it, trying to readjust the composition to my liking, and as I said, it did unfortunately move a little bit in the end, so it's not quite the way that I had intended this. But this that you see right here, I really like. That's what I want to try to accomplish with using thicker paints and not adding the satin enamel. That's about it. There'll be I'll be spinning a little more, and then there'll be some stills of the painting, and I've also set it up on the Smartest app so that you can see it in some settings. But I hope that you enjoyed this painting, and next week, on the 3rd of June, there'll be a collaboration with Pouring with the Fellas, as you saw in the beginning, hopefully. So please do come back for that. Sorry, my dog is barking. I don't know if you can hear it. So please come back for that on the 3rd of June. I will be on second after Garageband, and there'll be a playlist, which I will of course put in the video. This is a quick flyover of the result right after I had poured this. Unfortunately, as you'll see very soon, it dried a little more cloudy, but I still love the outcome. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Do give me a thumbs up. Thank you for supporting my channel. I hope you have a wonderful day. Take care. Bye.